my name is Toma.
Hi, my name is Peter. Today we'll be making summertime slushies.
Compliment for the Sanger High School students. So first, we have here some frozen mangoes, frozen chunks of pineapples, low-fat strawberry yogurt, and some ice cream. First, we'll be putting it. Then you have to put the lid on and then blend it. And stir it a little. Now we're going to stir it a little bit. Time to go. That looks good. Delicious.